Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 447 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this A2o Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. So this is from ShopMissA. This is a ShopMissA brand and this was $1. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free, and I have this in the shade Litmus. But it comes in a bunch of different shades and it was really hard for me to decide which one to get. The A2o brand can sometimes cost more than $1, but these, I think when I bought it, it was on sale for $1, but I just checked again today and now it just looks like the price is always $1. Ooh, but this is a big liquid eyeshadow. I am so excited to swatch this color. But first, I don't want to forget, because this does say to prime your eyelid before applying, so I want to do that just so I can give this the best review. I'm of course going in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, which if you want to see my video on this, like always, I will link it down below. Okay. Now, let me just start out by swatching this, and I'm very curious what the applicator is. Oh, it's a doe foot applicator. Ooh. Yes, this swatches with Great Pigment. I've been trying out a lot of liquid eyeshadows lately. I really love liquid eyeshadow, and some of them have just not been very pigmented, but this one is great. This looks like full pigment, great metallic sheen, and it also seems to be drying down, so that's good. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and play around with this. I'm gonna start out by trying to do just like a line along my upper lash line. I knew I wouldn't be able to do a very thin line because of this doe foot applicator, but just to see how it would look, doing a little bit. I mean, I like that. Just that one line is fully pigmented. It's such a cool shade. It's kind of like a blue, like a midnight blue shade, but then also kind of like a gray, silver. It's really nice. I don't have any colors quite like this, which is great. But so I could definitely see just doing like maybe a different eyeshadow look and then just incorporating a line of this liquid eyeshadow where I have it here above the lash line. But now I'm very curious to just fill in my entire eyelid to really see how this looks and how this applies. Wow, it really does feel like painting. That's kind of the texture. It's like a thick texture. It's not super liquid. It's more creamy. And so it really does just feel like I'm painting on my eyelid because I can place it in exactly where I want it to be. And it is fully pigmented. That looks so cool. I actually really like the look of this all over the eyelid. I feel like that's a really fun kind of rocker type of look. All right, now I'm curious if this dries. Yeah, I mean, it dries down. It is smudging away and is not totally staying in place, but that is fine. It's not like I would really be rubbing at my eye. But wow, I feel like I have a lot of product on my eye. I mean, it's really only one layer's worth because it's so pigmented, you don't need to keep layering it on. But it looks like I have a lot of product on, but it doesn't feel like it at all. It feels so comfortable on my eye. But as I'm looking at this, I forget that it was only $1 because this performs like a high-end liquid eyeshadow. It's so good. I love the shimmery metallic finish on it. I love this color. This is definitely something I want to incorporate into some really fun makeup looks. So my boyfriend is in a rock band, so I definitely feel like I could do some really cool looks with this to wear to some of his shows. So that is definitely going to be a goal of mine, to incorporate this into some makeup looks that look kind of rocker and just really fun. So yay, I'm so excited about this. I highly recommend this from ShopMissA. This makes me want to buy more colors now that I know that it applies really nicely and looks so good. I've had some really good luck with the A2o brand products. I hadn't tried any until recently, but pretty happy with the ones that I've tried so far, and I'm looking forward to trying out more of them. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried A2o before and what your thoughts are. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.